episode on app, so that is why I forget it, like who is like sent to me. But yeah, I recall. I think you sent me.
Yes,
Okay,
I asked about your YouTube channel. I subscribed it
thank you
yesterday.
so much. Thank you so much for having me. Like, okay, so ma'am, first we will discuss about introduce ourselves, because that video I also upload on my channel.
Yes, yes, definitely. You can go with introduction.
Okay, so my name is Preeti. I'm holding degree of MBA. I'm a mother of two kids, and apart from that, I was working as a financial advisor before. But now, recently, I started my YouTube channel that is about to the English conversational video. That is brief about me. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so my name is Neeta. I'm from Maharashtra, and I'm a homemaker. I have two kids.
Okay, that's wonderful. It's amazing. So, ma'am, how?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yeah, go ahead, ma'am.
I have completed BA BEd, but I didn't do job because of my responsibility, and because of that, I quit my job.
Okay. So now you are planning for starting the job again, right?
Yes, yes, I have plan for teaching. Definitely, if I get chance in the future, definitely I would like to join any school.
Okay. So before that, you didn't plan like when your kids is growing up, so you don't think like you have to join somewhere.
No, because my husband was a government employee and he were posted here and there after 3 years. So it was very difficult for me to continue my job. That is
Okay.
also.
That's wonderful. Because I also quit my job when I got kids, so it's not possible to go outside and do the work, because we have a first priority of our children. So that is why like we have to give the prioritization of our children first. So that is why I think every female like who has getting the kids, so they have give the first priority of their children. Then they think their self in future. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, definitely. That's true. And mostly it is true for Indian women.
Yeah, right. You are correct. So, ma'am, I would like to ask you one question. When it's come in your mind, you have to learn this language. Like someone appreciate, someone motivate, like someone pushing you, like you have to learn this language so that you can grow, you can get good opportunity. How it's come in your mind?
Okay, so 2 years back, I went to visit ashram, Isha Center, in Coimbatore. So that time, I was feeling a little bit demotivated because in that ashram, people were talking in English, and one girl was sitting with me, and she asked something in English, and that time I couldn't understand, and that day I came to know it is very important to learn this language because if we go anywhere abroad, so definitely this language helps us to have conversation with people. So that's day I thought about it first time, and after 2 years I started learning English.
Okay. So like you don't think like this age people are thinking why I have to learn new things. Like that is also a good thing, like you are learning some new things, like language you are learning. Some people like think like what is the need of learn this language. And another thing also, not about only the language, when they are getting older, they think like we are just getting older, so there is no need to do something productive and something in their life, because they think like we are in ending of life like that, so that is why.
No, ma'am, that's not matter. If somebody have ability to learn something, they definitely try new things in their life. But somebody don't have that eager or curiosity to learn something new, and desire is needed if you want to learn something. So these are the things affects human personality, and they decide they want to learn or not. There are so many things, not only learning language. We can use your time wisely. If you have ability to learn something new, definitely you can do it. But
Okay.
desire is very necessary.
Yes, you are absolutely correct. So, ma'am, in future, do you have any plan to immigrate other country, like abroad, like that?
Yes, if I get chance to go abroad, definitely I would like to visit places and explore these new places.
So, what about your children?
Yes, because of that, I think I will get chance to go abroad in
So
the future.
they are doing job there, or they are doing study now. Your children.
Okay, I couldn't listen your question because I
Yes.
think
Now audible.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Like I'm asking, what about your children? Your children is moving there in abroad now, or like they are doing study?
They are doing their study. Both are pursuing engineering. So,
So
um, uh, future, I don't have that type of plan. We want to settle in. We want to settle in abroad. I don't think like this, but definitely, if I get chance to visit new places, I would like to explore this.
okay, that's wonderful thing. Because when kids are moving the abroad, so they don't want to come in India. I have seen many people like who are shifting in abroad, so they don't want to come in India, and their family also get a chance to visit it other country in that way.
Yes, yes, yes. But
Yes.
nowadays, situation are changing and situation is changing. So many people want to live in India. They don't have eager to go abroad and do their job because of some circumstances, maybe. But yes, situation is changing. I think so.
But ma'am, I have seen like many who are the adult who are a new generation. So they are moving the other country. They don't want to live in India. I have seen many childrens like they have completed their engineering. They are just planning to going to abroad. They don't want to be stay here. They said that here nothing is here in India. Like here is a we can talk about a study, like if they are talking about their children, so they think like their education is different, but in Indian education is different, like it's too costly in Indian. But if you go for the foreign country, so their children their people children were going only the government school. They are not going to the private school, but Indian people, their children is already their children went to only private school. They don't prefer to government school. But if you go talking about in foreign country, so they are sending their children only in government sector, government school, not in private school, because every people are preferring, because their education system is different. That is why I have seen many people when they are moving to abroad, so they don't want to come, because their cost of living is high, but their education system of about when they are thinking about their children, so that is totally different. So that is why they are shifted for settle down over there. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if that is true, but I think in my case, my kids don't want to settle in abroad.
Okay, so both are doing engineering.
Yes, yes, both are pursuing engineering, and my daughter is here, but my son is in Rajasthan.
Okay, so both are doing the engineering, pursuing the engineering, right? So
Yes, yes, both are pursuing engineering, and my son's this year is last year, and my daughter's first year.
okay. So who will suggest to them like they have to take in this field, this engineering field?
My they chose their career their own they thought about it. Maybe they were passionate about engineering. My son was very passionate about engineering, so because of that, and he is studying in IIT Jodhpur.
Okay. And your daughter is also doing so. Your daughter admired to her brother, right?
Yes, yes, and both are like maths, so because of that, maybe they
Okay.
choose this path.
So, ma'am, like actually, I would like to ask one more question. Like, your husband is in government sector, right?
Yes,
So,
yes.
you didn't say to your children you also go for the government sector. Why you are planning for the private sector?
No, I don't force them like join engineering, join any government force or government sector or any private sector. It's their choice, maybe, because we can't force them. I don't believe on forcing kids also. So
Okay.
they can choose their career, what they want. So I don't force them go or join government sector or do any private job. Also, my yes, my son pursuing engineering, but he don't want to do job. So this year also she didn't join placement, and
Okay.
deliberately he chose that path. So we are, me and my husband both are with him. Uh, Go with your idea and what do you want to do? Do it.
Okay, that's wonderful.
Force them do particular job or don't do. It's their choice.
Okay. So, like so, ma'am, do you like because you didn't give your introduction because our viewer also get to know about you how we connected here. So, please introduce yourself also. I forget it about that.
Okay.
Yeah.
My name is Neeta. I'm from Maharashtra. I have completed my BA B.Ed, but I didn't focus on my career. I have two kids. Both are grown up, so that's why I have time. So I started learning English. That's
Okay.
pretty much.
Okay, so ma'am, that's wonderful introduction you from your side. So ma'am, I would like to ask one more question. Like when you you learn this language, so nobody will surrounding you. So how you start? Like you have to start with the reading, and you have to how it's come like you have to start to take a initiative. Like you have to start with the reading. You have to start with the talk with the co-learner. So that how you start your journey.
Okay, so when I started that time, I was not able to understand English. Also, I couldn't speak single sentence that time. When I was started, so I started by using translation method because
Okay.
there was no other way for me, and
Right.
I started using translation method. And after 6 months, I started understanding English. And after 8 or 9 months, I started understanding native speaker also. That's how I started. And after 1 year, joined a platform English Sharing. If you are aware about it.
Okay, yes, I aware about that.
Yes, yes. So from this January, I have been taking session from English Sharing tutor. So that's the case for me. And
Oh,
how about you, ma'am? Can you tell me little bit about your
yes, yes. English
yes,
journey. Yes, ma'am.
start? Yes.
Definitely. So I would say actually I just applied a one job. So that is only the work from home job. So but I didn't qualified that interview. That time it's triggered to me. I have to work on my skills first. Like it's a communication skills. So that is why I started my journey to start to the co-learner talking with the application. First I talk with the like some application like Peer app, As Fluency app. I talk with the co-learner on that platform. And when I was thinking like if I go for any remote work, so there is also the foreign company. So in foreign company you know how to communicate to the other country people also. So that time I was finding some application that will be free. So like I find it one application that is Episode. So I go there, I install that application, and I try to talk with the co-learners because there is the other country people also coming. So that way I start my journey of communication. And I'm talking about my YouTube channel. Same thing, like I have seen, I stumble many YouTubers, they are doing creating the video of the conversational video. So same thing I started, like I just record the session and I will upload on my YouTube channel. That way I uploaded on my YouTube. Nowadays I have a many crowd on WhatsApp and other ways. So I try to connect with the co-learner, try to create a good video. I have some subscriber also. It's not a good enough enormous subscriber, but yeah, it's enough. Like 100 subscribers is also enough. If they want to see something, so you can create. If you create, so like you can get good subscriber also by that. And they can also learn. Everyone is the learner. How they can start their journey, what kind of difficulties they are facing, so they can learn from my channel, because we are creating with the other co-learners video, other YouTubers, how they start their journey, what kind of difficulties they are facing. Because sometimes when we are not using this language, so we are missing, we are lacking this language fluency. So for that you have to be continue using this language. When we are continue using this language, so our fluency will be increases. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and I have also my YouTube channel, and also I upload their conversational video on my YouTube channel. But I was no, I didn't have any plan to join a YouTube channel and create YouTube channel for English. But I watched a video which was conversational video, and that YouTuber said it is helpful for learning English also. If you have a YouTube channel, definitely you try to create something in English, and that helps you to grow. And
Right.
also it is helpful for other people how you learn this language. They can get some idea from your video. So it is helpful. So I started uploading my conversational video on
Okay, that's
YouTube.
wonderful. I good to know here about you. I don't know about that before. Like you have also a YouTube channel. I just talk with the
Yes.
episode, and so I try to talk with the people and say to them like I have a YouTube channel. If you are interested, so you also become a part of my channel that way. So
So
what
I
is your ma'am
have
channel name? What is your channel
in
name?
English with Nita Rajmani.
Okay, definitely I will subscribe your channel.
Yes,
Yes.
thank you. But yes, I think before 2 months back, I started uploading content on that channel. I had already that channel, but I didn't upload it there. And I started for English learning this channel again.
Okay,
So
so yes. So
I
it's
don't have.
wonderful thing, ma'am.
Yes, and I don't have too much subscriber there, but definitely it is useful for me. Because of
Yeah.
that, I create some English content and upload there so that I can also improve.
Yeah, because by the YouTube actually we think like we have to do something. We have to create some content. Like I have a channel. So I was thinking like at least one video I have to upload on my channel. Something else, whatever in my mind. So I try to upload at least one video. In that way I'm improving I will think, and I'm improving my fluency also. Because when I was thinking, so I have to read it out about that also sometimes. So that is why I try to create a good video for my viewers.
Okay. Are you upload every day one video?
Yes, ma'am. At least I try to make a one video, and that will be uploaded on my YouTube channel.
Okay. It is very difficult to get idea what it would be and create that content and create video. It is not easy task.
But ma'am, you can like you already send the mail to me, right? So same way you can send to other YouTubers. To you can send the mail to other YouTuber. That way you can get a good conversation with them, and you can improve your fluency. Apart from that, you can take this video and you can upload on your channel also. So there is no hectic
Yes,
for
yes.
you.
I did it. I think in December. I had a great conversation with Ram sir.
Okay.
Who are watching his video. He's a good speaker, or
Yes.
on YouTube there are so many videos you can see. So I had conversation with Ram sir, and I uploaded that video on my YouTube. But my English was very pathetic, but it's
No,
okay.
ma'am, you are very good speaker. I have seen here. How can you say that you are not good speaker? You are a very fluent speaker. Now that's why you are here. Like we are communicating to each other because you are speaking. That is why you are here, na?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, definitely. I am
Yes.
improving. day by day, but I think I make mistake while having conversation, but it's normal because it is also
Everyone.
yes, yes.
I'm also having a mistakes while I'm speaking. So I try to when we are using wrong sentences. So when I'm listening my conversation, that time I can recognize easily like I'm doing mistakes. So next time I didn't do that same thing.
Yes, 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 yes. Definitely. Watching our video, definitely we can get idea about our mistake and we can correct it. So that's
Yes.
how we can also improve. So yes, ma'am, I have a question about English learning because as you told me, you are learning English, I think 2
2 months.
months.
Yes.
2 months, isn't it? So, what types of practices you did? Because I think you are speaking very well. You have confidence to speak English. I didn't
Yeah.
see any hesitation there. So, can you give me some tips or idea? What did you do for improve your fluency?
So, ma'am, for the fluency, you have to try to talk more first thing because I am talking with my children also. I am also doing the mistakes. I am doing the mistake. I correct myself while I am speaking with my children. So I try to use talk in
Yes,
English with my children a whole day when my kids at home. So I try to talk with them in English. And one more thing, when I got a chance, so I try to talk with the co-learners in a whole day now, like 2 months. I just create a environment of the English only. That way I learned this language. I don't listen any Hindi content to anyone else. Like I am living here neutrally, like in Indore. So in my home, nobody is here. Only my children and me and my husband. My husband always talking in Hindi, but my kids, when I am talking with him, so they listen at least. They are not reverting back in English, but at least they listen. And when they are watching Hindi content, so I try to convert in English when I start my journey. So I just when they are watching TV cartoons, so I just convert in only English. You watched only English content. Initially they think like it's not understanding, but 1 month after, 1 month later, they understand what they want to say and what actually. So they are liking the YouTube, like a YouTube cartoon nowadays in English. But before that, when I started to watching the English content, then they are not taking an interest in that. And I create a whole environment in English for 2 months. But now I'm not creating a like whole month, whole day. But when I got a chance, so I try to talk with my children. Sometimes I try to co-learners and sometimes YouTubers also. That way I can create a good video. Nowadays I was in reading also. Before that I am not in reading. I'm also taking the classes, 2 classes I'm having. So in there, I'm teaching to the children. So that way I also improve my fluency. When I'm talking with them like for 2 hours continuously, if you are speaking, definitely your fluency is also improving that way.
yes, definitely. Teaching helps us to improve also.
Yes, ma'am. And now I would like to ask one question. Do you think in English?
While having conversation, I don't think in Hindi. I don't have idea, but my tutor said me. One of my tutors said me, maybe unknowingly you think in your mother tongue and try to translate it in English. But I don't have idea exactly it is true or not because I don't feel I think in my mother
Okay.
tongue and
So
try to speak in English because it is very difficult for me. One day I tried.
okay, so
Deliberately.
I will give the some suggestion tips for that. How you
Yes.
think in English. So first, ma'am, first 1 month, 20 to 25 days, I am not thinking in English. I just think only in Hindi. But after 1 month, I just think only in English. Like whatever the new words I try. First, I listen a lot in English. That way, like whatever I listen, I think what they say. Like if I listen any animation story, initially I start my communication to listen any animation story. Then I just convert in my own words. So that way I express this story. And but 1 month after, I have seen like I think in English how it's happened. So whatever I listen, I think what I have to what they have said. That way you think in English. Like if you are talking about your husband, like your husband, your family member, so whatever they are saying, you just convert in English. that way you also think in English, like how they are saying, and you are listening anything, and whatever in your mind, you just push your mind, like you have to think in English. That definitely you will think in English, because I also doing the nowadays I am also always thinking in English. When I think in Hindi, so I think like no, I have to think only in English, because if I think in English, so I can use the new words also.
Okay, I will try it. Definitely, it would be helpful to improve my English.
100% it will be helpful, ma'am. When we are thinking, then we are using, when we are listening anything, then we can think what they had said. Like today I am listening a one podcast of the Infosys ma'am, I forget of her name, Sudha Murthy ma'am. So she was saying how children behave like that, and like people, parents are always said to their children. So when I listen, first I listen everything, then I will think what she said. If we think, then our thoughts is also coming in our mind. So that is why you have to start thinking in English.
Yes.
That is also the good way.
Definitely, thinking in English, it helps us to improve. Definitely, I would like to do this practice every day and every time also.
Yeah,
Because
initially it
some
will be hectic. Like you think like it's a overwhelming initially, but when you are using continuously, then you understand. I am thinking only English. English.
okay, okay, ma'am, I will definitely try it. So, other than that, is there any other practice you are doing to improve your English?
Nowadays, like I'm reading, I just read two books. It's Ikigai, and second one is the Atomic Habit. And nowadays, I'm also reading some newspaper news. Like I just install on my phone today India Today's news. So I got the notification when I got the free time. So I just I'm not install watching the reels. I'm just watching only English content. When I get the free time, I try to read. I try to listen only in English. So it's also make the entertainment. Like if you are not comfortable in reading, so you just listen. There is the subtitles also, so you can try to use that word in your communication. That way you can learn the new things. And writing
Okay,
I'm
but
not doing.
whenever you
Yes. Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
but whenever you try to read any article or any news, can you understand it thoroughly?
Yeah, initially it's not understanding properly. Like when I start to reading in Ikigai book, that time I'm not understanding properly, because I'm not, I don't know the what is the meaning of the words, some words. So that is why I just noted down the what is the meaning of word. Like, but the second time if you read, then you understand properly what they want to say. First time we don't understand, because sometimes we don't know the word, and I also try to read it out. It's depend on your interest also, what kind of things you are reading. Like some like yes, 2 or 3 days back I have read about the actually one incident happened. So that is in news. That is the boy killed his daughter, his father, because of their disputes like that. So when you read a simple thing now, then you understand easily. Sometimes we don't know the word, so we don't understand what is the meaning of that. So that is why first we have to collect a good vocabulary. When you are reading, so you are
Yes.
definitely getting 2 to 4 words in a day. So I try to read a one paragraph, so that way like I try to get it out new words from there. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Definitely, reading news helps us to get new vocabulary or enhance our vocabulary. And I am also reading, but I can't read it myself. I take help from YouTuber. Someone is there on YouTube, and he read that article and explain it in English. And it is good way to read it, because sometimes it is difficult to get that natural sense for us.
Yes.
So that is helpful activity I am doing these days, and I like to do it because I am learning English as well as I am getting information and knowledge. So it is
Yeah.
helpful.
Yes. So, ma'am, like you are reading some. Have you have you start to talking with ChatGPT also?
Yes, yes. Sometimes I try to have conversation with ChatGPT,
Okay,
and
but
it is also.
yeah, you do one thing also when whatever the daily routine you have done. So you have to talk with the chat GTP, whatever, because it's not happen like we can talk everything to anyone else. So because if you talk with the chat GTP, because nobody will judge you, and they don't think anything like chat GTP no, don't think about you, what you want to say and what you are saying. So that is why you can easily express your thought with the chat GTP. So that is the way, like you have to talk with the chat GTP in a daily basis, at least 15 minutes, whatever in your mind. You have to talk with chat GTP and you can say to them, please correct to us. When they will correct us, then you have to got a refinery version. You have to try to speak out loud. So you can correct yourself in that way also.
Yes, ma'am. I speak with ChatGPT every day, but ChatGPT have their own limits. I think so because sometimes she give it give me like same sentence and try to correct it like this, and it is also same sentence.
No, ma'am.
So
They have different day. Like we have a different days, right? Like today's days is different. Second day is different. Third day is different. So we have a different thing also happen with us. So we have to talk with them in a whatever in daily routine you have done. Like you go some outside. You are talking with someone and your relatives come in your home. So you have to talk in that way. Then you said to them, then they are not giving the same thing, they are giving a different thing to you, because I am also doing the same thing.
okay, I'm not talking about different topics. Can you think it is reliable to use ChatGPT for learner? Because sometimes she also guide us. Because I have seen some sentences. I asked ChatGPT, and when I go search it or Google it, that time I get new structure, or sometimes ChatGPT say like it is a wrong sentence, grammatically wrong. But when I Google it, that time I get it is a grammatically correct sentence. So that is a little bit confusion for me. But for having conversation, getting confidence, and reducing your hesitation, ChatGPT is very useful, I think.
So
But
ma'am,
ChatGPT has their
yes.
limits also.
But ma'am, grammars they are also correcting the grammar part also. When we are talking like we are talking about what I had done today, what we have, where we have go. So like when we are talking with them, they are giving the correct version also, because we also do the mistakes while we are speaking. Like we are doing the grammatical mistake. We are doing the like not right verbs we are using, right? We are using the first verb, second verb. We forget it while speaking, but they can correct. So we have to try to speak out loud. And you do one thing also, when we are talking like you can read it out one page and speak loud. That is also the good way to make a fluency. Tongue twister also you can use for improving your pronunciation, because I am also doing pronunciation mistake while I'm talking. So I try to make use the tongue twister. Tongue twister is also a great helpful for make a fluency and improving pronunciation. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, one of my tutor also suggested me for tongue twister. Are you doing it randomly, or are you working on any sound also? I don't have too much idea about tongue twister, but somebody same question asked me, but I didn't have don't have idea about it. Is there any particular practices for particular sound?
Yes, ma'am. I go for the chat GTP. For that, I will suggest something. Like yesterday, I'm practicing of that. Like, have you heard that? Like how to S tongue twister? S, like some people are doing the mistake in sha and sha. So for that,
Okay.
we have a different tongue twister. If you want to learn za or ja, so that is also the different tongue twister. So we have to practice the tongue twister. Like I will tell a one tongue twister. So they are giving the exercises to us. I also find it out from ChatGTP. So we have to exercise. We have to try to speak 3 to 4 times, 5 times, 10 times. Then your pronunciation will be improved. Like she says, She sells, she sells, why she hoards? She hoards. So in that way, we have to try to speak 3 times, 5 times, 10 times. Then your fluency and pronunciation also improve by that way. So we have to find it out from ChatGTP. Like we have to get a tongue twister. Like people are doing the mistake in za and za, and some people are. I'm also doing sha and sha. So I just go for that and I try to practice of that. Take our exercises, like when we are talking about a long sentence, so you have to continuously using the sentences again and again, then your fluency will be improved.
Okay. So, okay. Can you tell me what types of pronunciation problem are you facing?
I am facing sa and sha. While I'm speaking, I forget it. Second is the za and ja. I'm also forgetting. Sometimes it's happen when we are getting a new word, so we don't know how to pronounce that word. That is also happening with everyone, because when we are getting a new word, so we don't know how to pronounce it. But while we are continuously using the word, then we understand how to use that word.
Yes, yes, yes. That happens with me. Sometimes some of new words I can't pronounce it properly, but I try it with Google. So it is helpful also, and try get that accurate intonation and pronunciation for that word. Google it is also best option. But I don't do tongue twister properly.
Okay.
Sometimes I do it because my tutor said me. So because of that, I started doing it. But I don't do it that much, which
Okay.
I needed. But I think it is also helpful to improve our pronunciation. Definitely, I have to do it.
But I have seen a one new thing also when we are doing the tongue twister. So our accent is also differently changed. You can try
Okay.
it at once. When
Okay, okay.
I'm doing the tongue twister, so I have seen like my accent is going to differently. Like it's not a like it's like a native speaker.
Okay, okay.
You can try it, then you can see the changes.
Okay, I will definitely try it.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you for giving me such a wonderful tips.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you and thanks for having me. So it's a great conversation. Do you have any question for me?
Just I wanted to know about your English learning journey because I'm very curious. You have been learning English for 2 months and you are speaking fluently. You have confidence. You don't have any hesitation. So definitely, again, I want to get some information about your journey.
Definitely,
Uh,
definitely, ma'am. I will give my whatever I learned. But I immersed myself for 2 months in this language. That way, I
yes,
learned this language. If you are not
yes,
immersing, so it's not possible, ma'am.
and that is also true. Where from you are starting, so that is also
Yeah,
impact your.
right, right, right.
Maybe you were aware about little bit aware about language. You were you could speak some
Yes,
sentences,
yes,
but
ma'am.
you were not.
Right, right.
That's how. But who is starting like from scratch?
Yes.
It takes time to get improve and have conversation fluently. It takes time.
Right, because ma'am, I know the language actually. 3 year back, I start to preparing myself for the interview purpose, so I know how to speak. But
Yes,
for a talking purpose, like if I'm here, like I'm talking in any topic, but before that, I'm not comfortable any topic. Like I don't know how to speak and what is the meaning of that word. But now, if anyone asks what is the meaning of that Hindi, like we can, I know my mother tongue is Hindi. Like if someone asks to me like what is the English meaning of that word, so I know that now I can speak because I know the word, what is the word we have to use in English. So that is what the why, that is why I can express here nowadays. But before that, I can't express a whole day I'm not talking with anyone else. Before, I just prepared myself only 3 year back.
oh, okay, okay. Yes, definitely. And what happens with learner or beginner? They know word, but it is very difficult to get exact word on exact time.
Yeah.
That time we sometimes we don't get. exact word for our emotion and for our thought. That happens with everybody.
So, ma'am,
But
actually, yes, yes. Yeah, go ahead.
I think it is normal. By with practice, you can reduce it.
So, like when I'm also trying to use new word, I forget it what context we have to use that word. So that comes, I think, from the reading. When we are reading, then we understand how to use that word in which context.
But whenever I try to read, sometimes I understand, but sometimes it is difficult to get that exact sense what they want to say. So for that's why maybe I don't like reading, and I focus listening and speaking. Both practices helps me a lot to improve my English because reading I think I don't feel it is enjoyable, so I don't do reading often. But yes, I listen English content and try to speak. Both practices are very helpful in my case.
Everyone have a like if they are listening, definitely they will speaking and listening both are mandatory thing. If you are not reading, it's okay, but if you are not listening, it means you are not speaking.
Yes, 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 definitely. Hey, listening helps me a lot.
Right. I also listen a lot in initial time when I start my journey to communication. So that time I listen a lot in a whole day. Like in morning when I wake up, when I go to my bed. Before that, I'm just listening a lot.
Okay. I have a question.
Yes.
How many hours are you spent to learn English? Actively learning. I'm talking about actively learning.
Nowadays I was thinking about to working something, so that is why not active learning. When I got a chance to talk with anyone else, so like I'm having a conversation with you, and sometimes when I got a chance,
Yes.
like on WhatsApp group, I am having a 2 to 3 WhatsApp group, so there people are doing the conversation some kind of topic. So if I have a time, so I try to express my thought also over there. And like I'm also using the episode, and so I try to talk at least 15 minutes on that platform. And about reading, so at least one page I read it out, speak out loud like that in a day.
Okay.
Like it's a consistency. I'm maintaining my consistency. Like I read it out loud at least one page. I talk with the co-learners at least 15 to 20 minutes, more than 20 minutes also. And reading I only speak out loud. And whatever the new words I got it, so I try to use that word also in my, like I'm in my thinking also. When I was thinking something, so how to use the new word. And why when I'm but I'm not writing. I want to think like I have to write something, because when I create a good video, like some motivational speaker like that, so first we have to write something, then we can speak proper way. Because without writing, I think it's not possible to speak proper way. Well, while conversation, we know how to express. We can express our thought, but while making a like speaker like that, it's a speech like that. So first we have to write for that. So but I'm not doing the writing. I want to think like I have to write something. Nowadays I'm not actively working on my communication. I'm just thinking like how to start to make a career like that.
Okay.
Yes.
That's great, but yes, definitely. Whenever I try to write, it is not that much difficult. Like the I can understand English, but when it comes to speaking, it is difficult. But when I try to write, it is a little bit easy compared to speaking.
Yeah, but writing, everyone is thinking like what should write actually. Like what we have to write. Sometimes we don't know the words, but when we are speaking, we know like we have to say something, and we have to, because writing is the like too typical thing, because we have to think, then we have to write. And sometimes we are doing the I was thinking also, like when we are writing, so we are doing the grammatical mistakes also. But we have to write. I was thinking like I have to write on the like system computer, so that time it will also correct to us whatever the we have write on that on the notepad, so we can go for the like other grammatical part, grammarly, and we can correct the sentences also in that way. But I don't think so for writing on the notepad.
But yes, you can also, if sometimes you feel I don't have idea what where I made mistake, that time you can also talk or tell your paragraph which you write with ChatGPT, share it. It also helps you to correct these sentences where you make mistakes. See, it also tell you.
Right.
So that's can get idea about your writing mistakes. But you can also start from small stories because you don't think I don't have any topic today to write. So that is helpful. Start from small stories. Like if
Okay.
you know some stories, you can start like write it in your own word.
Okay.
That
I will try definitely, ma'am.
yes, and try at least a 10 to 12 sentence
Okay.
enough for initial days. It is, and you can also share these sentences. You can also Google it if you have doubt it is correct or not.
Okay.
Definitely, it is helpful
It's
activity,
a
I
time
think so.
consuming, but ma'am. It's not a time consuming process.
Yes, it is a time consuming.
So because
Definitely.
we don't have a too much time, I have to take care of my kids. I have to do house chores and I have to work on my skills. So I think it will take too much time. When you are get free time, you get free time. So then we can do that thing. Nowadays I'm on reading also. So it's not possible to write it also. When I got a chance, so I try to read it. But I try to talk more. First thing I am doing, like when I'm talking, so like my fluency will be improved by that.
Yes, yes. You already improved a lot within 2 months. So definitely you will achieve something better in your future. So these activities also helpful. Just I wanted to mention here how to start writing because I had experience with writing. So I wanted to share with you.
Yes, yes. Our
Definitely.
viewers also know about that.
Okay. Is there any other question for me?
Yes, ma'am. So I would like to ask one more question. It's the last question. So, like, what will you give the suggestion, like, who are become older? So, what you suggest to them? They also think their productive thing in their life.
Okay, the see, age is the only numbers, I think so. If your mind is ready to learn something new, there is no any age limit, I think. And I have seen so many people did something best after their 50s.
Yeah,
So, so that the age doesn't matter. If you have desire, curiosity, definitely you can do something better in your life. But don't think it is too late. My age is this and that. So don't think like this because you have your life and you don't know how long it is. But whatever you get from nature, try to utilize it in
right.
good way or positive way. I think and aging is only number. That's
Absolutely correct, ma'am.
doesn't matter for your desire, curiosity. And so many people have I have seen so many teenagers. They have they have whole life ahead them, but they don't think, they are not serious about their life. They are taking uh, bad things and they are wasting their life. But I have seen so many people in their 50s, they are enthusiastic and they are curious. They are also want to learn something new. So age is the only number. I don't think it is matter.
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely correct. I give the one example also here for my viewers, like they like who want to do something and some don't want to do. So I would give a one example like foreign like USA president. One is the Barack Obama. Second is the who
Yes,
is
yes, I
current? Who is the current? I forget it. Its current is
Trump.
Trump,
Trump.
right? Barack Obama has complete their president journey at 30 or 40 years, I think, and Trump has started their president journey at 60, 50 plus age, 50 or 60 plus age. So this is the right thing. there is age is just a number. You have to think to do productive in your life. It's depend on you how you think to do productive in your life at what age.
And mindset is in that case, mindset matters lots.
Yes.
If you set your mindset, you have curiosity, you have desire, doesn't stop you. Nobody can stop you. You can do anything what you want.
Right, right, correct. Okay, thanks for having me, ma'am. So thanks for wonderful conversation, and it's a grateful conversation for our viewers. They also appreciate, like they also admire to you. So they also learn this language by you, because how you start your journey from the scratch. So they can also learn that language from us like that. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. You give me such a wonderful tips. Definitely, I would like to add in my learning journey. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, bye.
Bye.